Have you seen the latest in transportation? Are you ready to be amazed by new technologies? Why is everyone talking about China's newest engines? China is not just keeping up, it's now leading the way in futuristic transport technologies. They're setting new standards and challenging the US to catch up. BYD Yangwang 8. Did you know China has created the world's first floating SUV called the BYD Yangwang 8? This cool SUV can lift itself 150 millimeters off the ground using a hydraulic system, which makes it look really powerful on the road and costs about $50,000. What's super cool is that it can spin in a complete circle without moving from its spot. Perfect for showing off when you're parked. If you ever find yourself on a flooded street, this SUV can float. The basic model can handle water up to 1 meter deep, and the off-road version can manage 1.5 meters. In emergencies, it turns off the engine, seals the windows, turns on the air conditioning, and opens the sunroof to keep you comfortable for up to 30 minutes at a slow speed of 3 kilometers per hour. Remember, this feature is for emergencies only, and you shouldn't use it just for fun. After using the floating mode, the SUV needs to be checked by a service team. This vehicle is really setting new standards for what SUVs can do, especially in tricky situations. China's unmanned aerial sky train. China has introduced a groundbreaking unmanned aerial train. This futuristic train doesn't fly like a plane but runs on a monorail high above the ground over a distance of 10.5 kilometers. It moves at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and can carry up to 200 passengers, offering a safer and more efficient way to travel compared to regular trains. It took just 7 months to build this monorail, the same time it usually takes to lay normal train tracks. But this high-up train avoids traffic below, making journeys faster. It also takes up less space on the ground, which means more space for parks and roads. This train isn't just a cool new addition. It's a big step forward in improving how we travel in cities, making trips quicker and safer while allowing for more public space. Ehang 266S. Have you heard about the Ehang 216S? It's a drone taxi created by the Chinese company ehang. This cool flying taxi can carry 2 people and is designed to help with traffic problems in cities. It works all by itself, flying short to medium distances with no need for a pilot. The ehang 216S has 16 electric rotors that make it eco-friendly and quiet, perfect for flying around city areas. If something goes wrong, it can even land safely by itself. This drone taxi can fly as fast as 130 kilometers per hour and go up to 3,000 meters high. It's a glimpse into the future of how we might be getting around cities soon, combining smart technology with safety and taking care of the environment. NIO ET9. Check out the NIO ET9, a luxury car with some really cool features. One amazing thing it can do is shake off snow from its roof just by moving side to side, like a dog shaking off water. This means you won't need to use a snow brush anymore. But be careful, if you leave things like a coffee cup loose inside, they might spill during the shake. The ET9 is a high-end car with 2 powerful motors that produce 77 horsepower, making it fast and strong. It has a big battery under the hood that can travel up to 255 kilometers on a full charge and can be recharged in just 5 minutes. If you want a car that stands out for its luxury and advanced technology, and you're okay with its $110,000 price tag, the NIO ET9 could be the perfect choice. LMV 496. Meet the Lazareth LMV 496, a revolutionary electric motorbike that can also fly. Created by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, this bike combines the excitement of high-speed riding with the amazing ability to soar through the air. On the road, it's a powerful electric motorcycle with a 60-mile range for quick, smooth rides. But the magic starts when you hit a switch. 4 jet engines built into the wheels tilt down and lift the bike off the ground. Powered by kerosene, these engines deliver a whopping 1,300 horsepower, allowing the bike to fly for up to 10 minutes. It's the perfect blend of motorcycle speed and jet-like flight, priced at about $500,000. If you've ever dreamed of flying on your bike, the LMV 496 makes it possible, offering a peek into a future where travel has no limits. Get ready for an adventure like no other. GAC presents Gov. GAC, a Chinese car maker, recently revealed a new flying car named the Gov at their Tech Day event. This innovative car is designed to work both on roads and in the sky, blending the ease of driving with the excitement of flying. The Gov has a unique look with a single passenger capsule on top of a four-wheeled base. The top part can detach and fly thanks to its 6 foldable blades. The Gov can switch between driving and flying automatically, so there's no need for manual controls. You just enter where you want to go on a tablet inside, and it takes you there. It can even fly itself to a charging station to power up, making sure there's no waiting time. On the road, it drives like a regular electric car, smooth and easy to handle. The Gov is showing us what the future of getting around might look like, using advanced technology to make travel easier and more fun. The Flyer. The Flyer is here to change how we travel around cities. This electric aircraft takes off and lands vertically, letting you fly right over busy streets and straight to your destination. Imagine skipping all the traffic below and landing exactly where you need to be. Although the rules for these aircraft are still being developed, the Flyer gives us a peek at what the future of city travel could look like. No more traffic jams. It's designed with the latest safety features and simple controls, making it easy to fly even if you've never flown anything before. This isn't just a dream. It's a new chapter in traveling freely and excitingly. If you're looking for a way to make your daily commute thrilling, the Flyer might just be what you need. Get ready to see the city from a new perspective and take to the skies. Robotaxi. The robotaxi, powered by Zoox, is set to revolutionize urban ride-hailing. This electric taxi is designed uniquely, allowing it to move forward and backward without turning around, which is perfect for the narrow and busy streets of cities. Its symmetrical design enhances maneuverability and efficiency in tight spaces. Inside, the robotaxi offers a spacious cabin that seats 4 people facing each other, promoting a more interactive and enjoyable ride compared to traditional taxis. This vehicle is equipped with advanced technology for safety and navigation, including a 360-degree awareness system that ensures it is constantly aware of its surroundings. It uses a combination of LiDAR, cameras, and radar to maintain high levels of safety and situational awareness. The robotaxi can speed up to 75 miles per hour and run up to 16 hours on a single charge, making it highly effective for city travel. Instead of selling these vehicles individually, Zoox plans to use them for an autonomous ride-hailing service, which could be a more affordable and efficient urban transport solution. Are you ready for the future of city commutes? Raptor. Robotaxi, a Japanese company, has recently launched the Raptor, a 3-wheeled vehicle that's turning heads with its unique design. This mobility platform features 2 main parts, an upper design unit and a lower base block, which can be easily connected or separated, providing great flexibility for different uses. The Raptor is powered by a 48-volt battery, allowing it to speed up to 30 kilometers per hour and cover distances up to 40 kilometers on a single charge. Though it looks like a futuristic bike, you'll need a driver's license to operate it because it's classified as a motor-assisted bicycle. Robotaxi sees the Raptor as more than just a vehicle. It's a potential game-changer for urban transport, new business models, and even cultural shifts in how we think about mobility. Enjoyed the ride? Subscribe to our channel for more updates on revolutionary transport solutions and be part of the future of travel.